everyone. My name is Anne and
Andrea.
with me is Andrea. So today we will do house tour. Come on, let's start. So this is the house that we will tour.
Yeah.
So with me is Andrea. So come on.
Let's go. First of all, I'm going to show you.
What are you going to show us?
We're going to show
We go sa back.
balcony.
Okay. Andrea is my niece. This is the...
Balcony.
Okay.
You see, these are like rocking chairs.
Wow! Look at the view, Andrea. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Right over there.
Wow! And then what else? Oh, there's a rocking chair. Oh, they're opening the door. And then what else can we see here?
We have here. Also, you can come from this.
You can do barbecue there.
Yeah, you can do barbecue here. Now,
Hi!
hello.
Hi! Oh, there's a lot of people here in our house. Oh,
Okay,
what's
let's
next?
go inside now.
Okay.
This is the. This is. This is the living room. See, washing
Okay, it's still Christmas here, so Merry Christmas. Yeah. So, ayan sila.
This is the people in the living room. Unspecified Homo sapiens.
And now,
Hi! Okay, here first.
Unspecified Homo sapiens.
What's this? Okay.
where my tita will sleep and tito will sleep. That means aunt and uncle.
Okay.
Is the bathroom
Wow.
over here. Isn't it nice? So here is the hot tub or the tub, and this is the shower. And then we can put it here, but I'm just gonna leave it here. You know what? And then okay. Now this is where we put the kitchen.
Yeah. So, hindi pa namin naaayos to. Mamaya na lang.
And there is the fridge. Does it have lunch though?
Do we have food there?
Yes. Doesn't have any lunch.
Okay, later we will put our thingy there. Okay. And then, what's that?
Which one? This is the table where we will be eating.
Wow, that's nice.
Ay, mag-mukbang daw ngayon ito ah.
Oo, we will do mukbang.
Sige ako sa mag-mukbang tayo.
And then
We're
we're gonna
going.
go downstairs. Now here is downstairs. Wait 1 second, we gotta go downstairs. So here is the first room. It's nice and cozy. This is where my mom and dad will sleep.
Wow, it's nice. Okay.
It has its nice windows too.
Can you open that one?
Yeah.
Wow. Come, the other room.
And here's my bag. And
Wow.
here's my bag. And this is my sister's bag. And then here is the bed that we will be sleeping on. It's so cozy.
Wow, yay. Where's the bathroom?
The bathroom. Oh, okay. The bathroom is right here. I used this earlier because this is where you can get some soap. And here is a vase. And some of my mom's supplies.
Okay.
Room where maybe we could just sit down, get our electronics, and then
Relax.
yeah, this is the relax room. Into the front door. We're coming up.
Where's the front door?
The front door is right here. That was my uncle right there.
Here's the uncle right there.
And this is the front door.
Open it.
Oh yeah, it's locked. That's the door, and I think this is called a porch. And there is like a box over there. Like,
Wow, and there is a bear also here. There, bear.
it says welcome. And we have, yeah, this is it for our tour.
Okay, so say bye-bye.